So good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss our topic, which is intellectual property rights or IPR. So before I explain what IPR is all about, I'm going to read our lesson objective first. So first we have, at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to explain what intellectual property rights or IPR, copyrights and related rights mean and show why it is important to respect and protect the works of others. What is intellectual property rights? Intellectual property rights or IPR are the legal right protects creation of minds such as invention, literacy, artistic works, and design. These rights allow creators to own, control, and benefit from their own creation. So, intellectual property rights or IPR are the legal protection for creation of mind like invention, song, or stories. They let creators own and benefit from their ideas just like our physical property. There are three main types of IPR. First, copyright, which protect original works like art or writing. The second is trademark, which regards brand names, logos like Nike, Swoosh, and then we have patent, which is secure new invention and how they work. IPR is important because it encourages creativity, innovation, and by ensuring the creators are rewarded and protected from copying or theft.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. So now, let's talk about the types of intellectual property rights. There are 5 main types of intellectual property rights. These are copyright, patents, trademark, trade secret, and industrial design. And each one of them protects something different. And now, I will be discussing each one of them so you can understand how they work and why they are important. So let's start with copyright. So, what is copyright? Copyright is a legal right that protects the works of the authors, artists, and creators. It means that only the owner has the right to publish, reproduce, and sell their work. So how does this work? Let's say you wrote a song. Copyright makes sure no one can copy or use your song without your permission. So if someone uses your song without your permission, that's called copyright infringement and it's against the law. Now that we know what copyright means, let's take a look at what kinds of work it actually protects. So copyright covers many creative works. It works by protecting both written and digital creations as long as they are original. So even your PowerPoint or school projects are automatically protected by copyright. Connected to copyright, we also have what we call related rights. Related rights protects people like singers, actors, and broadcasters who perform or share someone else's work. Its purpose is to give them credit and fair payment for their talent and effort, even if they did not create the original work. So in short, copyright protects the creator, while related rights protect the performers and sharer of the work. Now, let's move on to trademarks. So, what is trademarks? A trademark is something that helps us recognize a brand. It can be a name, logo, or symbol that belongs to a company. For example, when you see the check mark, you know it's Nike. When you see the 3 stripes, you know it's Adidas. That's how trademark works. They make sure that every brand has its own identity. It protects their logo so no other company can copy it. If someone tries to use the same design or symbol, that's called trademark infringement. This means the owner can sue the company for using their logo without permission, as it can confuse customers and damage the brand reputation. So basically, trademark keeps a brand unique and easy to remember. Alright, so now let's move on to trade secret. So what is trade secret? Trade secrets are confidential information that gives a business or organization an advantage because no one else knows them. In education, there are also trade secrets that schools or teachers keep private to stay unique. For example, a teacher's original teaching strategy can also be considered a trade secret. It's a unique method that only that teacher uses to make learning easier and more effective. If they don't share it publicly and help their students perform better, that strategy becomes their own trade secret in teaching. So another example is, I have a question. Have you ever heard of Coca-Cola's recipe? No, it's because no one outside the company knows it. Only a few trusted people knows about it. So if someone uses or reveals a trade secret without permission, the owner can take legal action. This is called trade secret theft, and the owner has the right to protect what they work hard to create and keep private. So in short, trade secrets protect valuable information that helps a business or creator stay one step ahead.
What is a patent? A patent is a legal right that protects new inventions, discoveries, or technological processes from being copied or used by others without permission. So there are three categories of patents. First is utility patent. So utility patents protects how an invention works, its function and usefulness, like a new machine, software, or e-process. Second is design patent. Design patent protects how an invention looks, its unique appearance or design. Lastly is plant patent. It protects a new variety of plant that is reproduced asexually. It means that using existing plants, not a seed, to grow a genetically identical plant. What is industrial design? Industrial design is a type of IPR that protects how a product looks. It is solely about the unique visual appearance or the distinctive shape of a manufactured item. So, the importance of intellectual property rights for teachers and students. First is for teachers. It helps them protect their original creations such as lesson plans, teaching methods, and learning materials so others can just copy it or use it without their permission. For students, it teaches them to value original work and to always give credit.
In summary, intellectual property rights or IPR are the rules that protect people's ideas and creation. Like invention, just like what I said, invention, story, music, art, or design, or etc. It is help the creators own their work and stop others from copying it. There are different kind of IPR, just like the copyright, trademark, patent, uh, and protecting IPR is important because it teaches us how to be honest, fair, and respect others or others' work. It is also remind us to be original and value our own ideas, especially in school or in our future work.